Hello, and welcome to a video on how to check the diagnostics of your Coriolis device. So your first step is to press the down arrow until you see the word Calibration on your screen. Now you can press E to enter the calibration menu. In this menu, you can begin checking the diagnostics of your Coriolis device. Here you can find the following parameters: flow calibration, temperature correction, both the density of the liquid and gas at which the device was calibrated and the phase shift value of the tubes at which the device was calibrated. These values can be checked against the calibration sheet which came with your device. They can also be checked against the information on the plate located on the lower half of your Coriolis device. So now you can press the right arrow to go back to the calibration screen, then press the down arrow until you see the words Inner Parameter on your screen. Then you can press E to enter the Inner Parameter menu. Here you can find the frequency of the tubes and the phase shift between pickup coils. Next, you can press the down arrow. Here you can find the driver percentage, the left and right coil values which, if the device is displaying high percentages for the driver percentages, it could mean that your device has entrained gases. So now you can press the down arrow, and now you should see the density and temperature of your medium as measured by your device. Now, if you press the down arrow, you can see the present pulse frequency and current output of your device. So once more, press the down arrow, and now you can see the water density and oil density pertaining to your device's water cut parameter. Once again, these values can be checked against the calibration sheet that came with your device. And with that, we can conclude this video. We appreciate your patronage and hope to speak with you soon. If you still have any questions, please feel free to contact us at the following.